Hello, everyone. Hope you are keeping safe and well, and welcome to today's YouTube Live. And in today's session, I'm going to go through some very costly Google Ads mistakes which many people make when running their campaigns. The first biggest mistake. These are not in any particular order. These are the 10 which which came to my mind as some of the worst or the costliest mistakes people make. When they start running the Google Ads campaign, they don't link the analytics or the Google Analytics account to the Google Ads account. Both of them need to be linked in, because the data will flow from Google Analytics into Google Ads, and you can get a tremendous amount of information which you can't get in Google Ads. To give you a little bit of an analogy, when you sit in the car to drive to your destination, the first thing you look at is the dashboard. Whilst we're driving continuously, we keep an eye on the dashboard as to what speed we are going, how much fuel there is left in the car, are there any red lights or warning lights popping up or not. Without that dashboard, it will be pretty difficult and dangerous to drive if I was to blank that dashboard out for you. The same thing applies with Google Ads and analytics when they are not linked in together. You are pretty much flying blind. There is so much you can do with your campaigns with regards to audiences, event tracking, conversions, remarketing lists, and so on, that you can't do only in Google Ads. You're kind of like, you got one hand behind your back and trying to win the fight or the battle. I would highly recommend that no matter which campaign you are running, be it branding, shopping, search, video, always set up your Google Analytics account to your Google Ads.